No more, no more, no more. We're calling off the search this evening. We're calling off the search. The Maverick is calling off the search for the positives in the West Indies getting clobbered 3-0 in the ODI series against Bangladesh. Those positives just cannot be found. But seriously though, you all realize that the West Indies batted a total of 120.2 of a possible 150 overs in this 3-game series. That is 722 deliveries faced out of a possible 900. That means they wasted 178 deliveries, not dot balls, but deliveries not faced. They scored a total of 447 runs with an average score of 149 runs per 50 over innings. In the 3 games, the West Indies lost by 6 wickets, by 7 wickets, and then by 120 runs. In other words, as the data and the analytics indicate, Bangladesh beat the West Indies by a country mile in the series. So there can be absolutely no positives in the West Indies getting brown-washed by Bangladesh. And that is why we are calling off the search. We're calling off the search. No, not the search for the pilot and the plane will drop down a rocky point. Yes. Or for the missing cargo, not that search. We're calling off the search for positives with this West Indies team. We are calling off the search. We're calling off the search.